What's up everyone, how are you doing? Today we're back with another video about how to get basketball. I recommend this site basketball because it has a very good quality. I recommend the Molten because it has a very good quality, and the site has a very good quality, but the Molten, it's cheap. It's cheap, and if you buy a pump, it's only 0 pesos. So I recommend the site or the Molten, not the Spalding, because Spalding doesn't have, or the other brand.
Size 7 site basketball. Very recommended ko din yung European basketball mall din. Sobrang lakas ko ng bigla. May kasama pa po siyang pang bomba at may pang net pa po. Recommended ko po talaga itong site na basketball kasi po maganda po yung quality niya. Gawa po siya sa rubber, tapos po matigas po pag hinangin, saka mabagal po at masira o okay guys, that's all. Peace.